In this video, we're going to be talking about XSPA, ticker symbol XSPA. Is it a buy right now? Is it a pump and dump? What's going on with the company? Stick around because we're going to be starting right now. What is going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about investing and trading in the stock market, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you guys in the video. All right, so I'm going to get right to the point. This is going to be one of the videos in my short video series, so I'm not going to bore you with all the details. First, let me go on and say that I am not a financial advisor, so do not take anything I say as a recommendation to buy. You should do your own due diligence. So everything I'm telling you right now is my opinion and how I would trade this stock. So for me, right off the bat, this is not an investment. This is not something that I'm going to be looking at holding long term. For many reasons, it's a penny stock. There's a lot of risk involved with penny stocks. And to me, this is basically a day trade or a swing trade. And I'm about to explain why. First of all, and I'm not going to go through the financials of this company or anything like that, but I have looked at the financials of this company, and I'm just going to tell you guys that from what I've seen, they are no good. This is not a company that, is something that I would look at as an investment again. But again, you should take a look at it yourself, take a look at the financials yourself, just so you're doing your own due diligence, and to make sure that this is in fact something you want to trade and not something you're trading as a result of watching this video. So first of all, I never invest in penny stocks, no matter what the news or rumors may be, okay? My investments are always strictly based on investing in proven companies with a strong track record. So for me to get involved with a penny stock would mean that my involvement is limited to simply either a day trade most of the time, or a swing trade at most. And in fact, 99% of the time that I would only day trade a stock like this and be in and out in a matter of minutes based on the momentum in the stock. But in this environment, in the current environment that we are in, I think that it brings out new opportunities, which in my opinion at this time may warrant a swing trade with this particular ticker, but only at this particular time. So normally what I would look for in a penny stock when I am day trading or swing trading is, momentum, volume, which the volume brings with it momentum. But in this case, because we're in the COVID era, I don't know what else to call it, but because of all the stuff that's been going on with the COVID stocks, other companies that have news relating to COVID-19 that tend to run up, I think this is worth, swing trading. So the first thing I would do is make sure that any type of penny stock that I am trading has news on it. So if I'm doing like a straight up momentum trade, which this probably will not end up being a momentum trade for me if I do decide to engage, but when I'm looking for a momentum trade, I want to make sure that there's news that I can verify right away, and I'll jump in and out of the trade, for a quick profit. In this, I still want to make sure there's news, and I'm looking at the volume and what the stock overall has been doing lately, and I pretty much have formed an opinion that based on what I've seen with other related stocks that are also related to, or stocks related to COVID-19, there's been run-ups that last, I guess, a while, you could say. So I'm looking at the news in this one, which pretty much what this stock is they provide nail treatments, massages, facials, and sell health and beauty products at airports. So that right off the bat is not something I'm interested in investing in, and it's also a penny stock as mentioned before. But the news on it is that they've got a contract with HyperPoint, which is an independently owned full-service health and wellness marketing agency out of New Jersey, I believe. And what they're going to be doing is testing for COVID-19. So because of this, I see an opportunity for a potential swing trade, and I'm just going to kind of see how everything plays out. I'm going to watch it closely on Monday, and jump in if I feel that it's the appropriate time. So what I'm trying to say is that this is mainly going to be a technical trade. We know that the fundamentals on this or financials are no good. We do know that there's news, so we're kind of playing the hype that's going to happen off the news in this specific environment. And we know kind of how other companies are reacting to similar type of news. So that's what I'm playing here, and nothing else. And I'm going to be watching technicals because a lot of technical traders are going to be involved in this. Really, anytime you've got penny stocks that you're dealing with, you've got technical traders involved. So that's what I'm watching here. I'm keeping an eye on the volume, and I'm going to be pretty much in and out. But this is going to, be a trade that has to be monitored closely and is very risky. So keep that in mind if you do end up taking this trade, and keep in mind, it's easy to lose on these. So only put in what you're comfortable with losing, because chances are, and especially if you do not have experience with trading, you may lose money. So that is a risk. So that's gonna wrap it up for us today with this short video, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed the video and like the content, make sure you do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button. If you got any questions, comments, any suggestions for me, make sure to leave that in the comments below. I'm gonna read it and do my best to do my best, if that makes sense. Now, if you guys will take a look at your screen, you're gonna see some video thumbnails pop up. Those are more videos that I've posted on the channel for you guys. If any of them interest you, make sure you click on them and watch them. Also, if you want to subscribe, click that little image of my little cartoon character dude on there, and you can subscribe like that. And other than that, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have a nice weekend, and I will see you again soon.